Welcome to another video. Today we want to solve the equation the square root of 2 to the power 2x is equals to 16. Okay, solution. We know that 16 is equals to 2 to the power 4. So I'm going to replace this in this equation, and I will have the square root of 2 to the power 2x will be equals to 2 to the power 4. Okay, we also know that a to the power n, all this to the power m, is equals to a to the power n m, and that the square root of a is still equals to a to the power half. So I'm going to apply this here, and I'll have 2 to the power half, all this to the power 2x will be equals here to 2 to the power 4. Okay, now using this other formula, I'll have 2 to the power half times 2 will be equal to 2 to the power of 4. Okay, at this level, these 2 and these 2 are going to cancel. There's x here, so you have x. These 2 and these 2 are going to cancel, and we're going to remain here with 2 to the power x will be equals to 2 to the power 4. Okay, we have a to the power b, which is equal to a to the power c. This means that b must be equals to c. So at this level, we can see that our x is equals to 4. Okay, now we are going to do the verification. Okay, for the verification, we're going to replace x in this equation by 4. So we have square root of 2 to the power 2x will be equals here to square root of 2 to the power 2 times 4. Okay, this is equal to the square root of 2 squared, all this to the power 4, since a to the power n, all this to the power m is equals to a to the power n times m. Okay, now we know the square root of 2 squared is equals to 2. So at this level we have 2 to the power 4, which is equal to 16. So our x is equal 4 is our solution. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.